Hi, in this video we're going to join two or more video clips in DaVinci Resolve 16. Let's get it on! So to save time, if you're going to apply a video change, you want to join all these together so that one change will affect the whole clip. So for example, if I want to make these changes carry over to the other clips, I'm going to have to do it individually per clip, because when I click here, it's back to the default settings. But over here where I made a change, it has my changed settings, but it's only for that one clip. So if you want all these clips to have that same zoom and position and any other changes you made here, you're going to have to apply that to every single one of them. And that's a real pain in the where. But the best solution is if we join all these together and treat it as one big clip, then any changes we make here will be applied to the entire clip. Let's join all of these right now. Click here, the first clip, with a shift and click the end one. So it selects all of that. You right click anywhere on the selected clips, new compound clip. So if you click that, keep that name, create, and there you go. We now have one big continuous clip. So whatever changes you make here now will be applied to the entire clip.